So this is the image I'm going to use. I am on Pixel Studio. So now I'm just going to add a new fill layer, go to Pixel, and then select new fill layer. And now for the fill layer, I'm just going to select this light gray here. So here's the HTML notation. And now in order to reveal the image layer here under the fill layer, I just need to paint with black on the fill layer. So this fill layer is going to act just as a mask layer. If you paint with black, it will hide it, it will mask it. If you paint with white, it will reveal it. So now let's select the paintbrush tool. Let's go to the brushes tab. I'm just going to use this brush for now. If you don't have the brush tab here, just go to Window, General, and then check the brushes. So for now, I'm just going to select the black color. So the size is 128, and now I'm just going to paint. So here it is. So as you can see, if I paint with black here on the fill layer, so let's go to the Layers tab. So here it is. As you can see, I am painting on the fill layer. It will mask our fill layer. So now I'm just going to change the color here from the color wheel to white, and then paint. So as you can see, it will reveal. So now I won't be able to paint with the color on the fill layer if I try. So for example, let's say I'm going to select this red here and then paint. As you can see, it will still work just as the black and white, because the red here is a light red. If I bring the red color here to the black area, so as you can see, it will max. If I bring it to the white area here, it will reveal less. So now Control Z to undo. So I'm just going to Control Z until I remove all the paintings I did. So now if I want, for example, to paint with the color, there are two ways. I can either add the pixel layer, click on the pixel layer. So now I'm going to select the red color. I am still on the paintbrush tool, and then paint. So here it is. And now Control Z to undo. And now I'm just going to delete the pixel layer, click on this icon. Or for example, as you can see, the fill layer is selected. I'm just going to deselect it. I'm just going to click here on the layer tab here. So here it is. And now if I paint, it will create a new pixel layer. So here it is. So as you can see, the assistant added a new pixel layer. You are now painting on that new layer. So here's the new layer. So now I'm just going to delete it. So now in order to create our paint splash portrait effect, I'm just going to use paint splash brushes. So let's go to the brushes tab. Make sure to select the fill layer, select it. So as you can see, it is highlighted in blue. Select the brushes tab. I'm going to click on the category, and then here I'm going to select the paint splash brushes. I'm going to change the color of the paintbrush tool to black. And now I just need to select the brush I want. So let's say I'm going to select this one. So if I click on more, so I will be able to change some of the settings. So let's say for this one here, I'm just going to reduce it to around 2000. So here it is. So as you can see, the hardness here is locked. It is 80%. I can change it. So I'm just going to leave it here and then click on the X here to exit the brush settings. And now let's go to the Layers tab. And now I'm just going to paint. I want to click multiple times here to increase the hardness. So as you can see, if I click one time, since the hardness is 80%, it's not fully revealing the layer under. So Control Z to undo. So I'm just going to click multiple times here to increase the hardness. So here it is. So now let's go to the brushes tab. I'm just going to select another brush. So let's say I'm going to select this one here, and then let's go to the brush settings on more. I'm just going to rotate this brush. So I'm just going to rotate it to 8%, and then I'm just going to click here multiple times again, and then I'm just going to add the last one. So I'm just going to add this one here like this, and then click multiple times. So as you can see, we are using the black color. So now let's go to the Layers tab, and now if I select the layer image layer, can still, for example, if I select the move tool, can still, for example, scale it to fit inside the shape here. And then I can still, if I select the fill tool here, select the brushes. This time I'm just going to change the category to the basic. Select the paintbrush tool, make sure to select the paintbrush tool, change the color to black. And now, for example, I can remove some parts here. So Control Z to undo. I just want to remove some parts here to reveal the woman's face. So here it is. So I think I'm going to leave it here, and now let's go to the Layers tab.